You are here. You've already taken the first step. Breathe in gently and exhale what no longer serves you. This is your space to release, to let go, to begin again. You are safe to relax. You are safe to clear your mind. Let the tension melt moment by moment. I release the thoughts that no longer serve me. My mind is not my enemy, it's my guide. I observe my thoughts without judgment. Not every thought is true, and that's okay. I have the power to interrupt negative patterns. I forgive myself for overthinking. I allow my mind to soften and open. Every breath clears emotional fog. I breathe out tension. I breathe in peace. I let go of mental resistance. My thoughts are clouds, and I am the sky. I am not my anxiety. I am awareness. I give space to the quiet inside me. I welcome stillness into my mind. Worry does not define me. I am safe to pause and release. My breath is stronger than my fear. I am grounded in the present moment. I no longer fight my mind. I speak to myself with compassion. I trust that peace is possible. I return to balance gently. I surrender the urge to control. I forgive the past and detach from it. I don't need to carry these thoughts anymore. I am allowed to rest from my thinking. My inner world is becoming clear. I am the calm beneath the storm. Each breath resets my emotional state. I turn down the volume of fear. I let go of self-criticism. I soften the inner voice. My thoughts no longer control my emotions. I am building a peaceful relationship with my mind. There is room for calm in my thoughts. I gently notice and release what hurts. I give myself permission to slow down. I no longer rush my healing. I let go of urgency. I am breathing space into my nervous system. I interrupt the loop of fear. I allow myself to feel safe again. My mind is a visitor, not a dictator. I bring attention to what is real and present. I am free to focus on peace. I let go of the need to explain everything. I trust that clarity will come in time. My thoughts don't need to be perfect. I do not owe my energy to negativity. I am cultivating a gentle mental space. I detach from stories that bring pain. I welcome thoughts that nourish me. I forgive myself for past decisions. I choose emotional freedom. I let my breath guide me to peace. I am not broken. I am becoming. My attention is a tool, and I reclaim it. I am choosing a new way to think. I honor my healing, even when it's slow. I return to the present again and again. I cleanse my mind with love, not force. I soften the grip of what if. I don't need to fix every thought. I trust myself to make space for peace. I create stillness within. My mind is learning to rest. I embrace progress, not perfection. I trust that peace is enough. I am open to feel light again. I am held by my own awareness. I give myself the gift of a quiet mind. My inner critic fades as I grow. I speak gently to myself. I celebrate every moment of calm. I no longer carry what doesn't belong to me. My mind is my ally in peace. I release this day with kindness. I rest in a mind that is clear and open. Stillness is now my home. My thoughts are soft and passing. I trust the calm within me. I awaken lighter. I let peace linger inside.